Case summary: Coker v. Georgia, 1977, dealt with the constitutionality of the death penalty for the crime of rape of an adult woman where the victim did not die and the defendant did not have a prior record of violent offenses. Background facts: claimant defendant. The defendant, Alec Anthony Coker, was convicted of raping and kidnapping a woman in Georgia. Plaintiff, the state of Georgia, representing the public interest and prosecution. Defendant, Alec Anthony Coker, the accused perpetrator of the crime. Argument in the court case: the central argument revolved around whether the imposition of the death penalty for the crime of rape violated the Eighth Amendment's prohibition against cruel and unusual punishment. Final outcome and detailed legal justification. Final outcome. The Supreme Court ruled 7-2 that imposing the death penalty for the crime of raping an adult woman violated the Eighth Amendment. Legal justification. Majority opinion. Justice White. The majority found that the death penalty was disproportionate and excessive punishment for the crime of rape, particularly in cases where the victim did not die and the defendant did not have a prior record of violent offenses. They emphasized evolving standards of decency and the Eighth Amendment's requirement that punishments be proportionate to the crime committed and the culpability of the offender. Concurring opinion. Justice Stewart. Justice Stewart emphasized that the death penalty should be reserved for crimes involving the taking of a life, and that rape, while a serious crime, did not meet this standard. Key concept implication. Coker v. Georgia established that the death penalty cannot be applied to cases of rape where the victim did not die and the defendant did not have a prior record of violent offenses. Key lessons: proportionality of punishment. The case underscores the importance of proportionality in sentencing under the Eighth Amendment, ensuring punishments fit the severity of the crime. Evolving standards of decency. It reflects the court's sensitivity to evolving societal norms and standards in determining cruel and unusual punishment.